Welcome to Soofy, the first AI language learning app that gives students the ability to practice and learn a new language through engaging discussions with an AI. In today's video, we will be participating in a debate with an AI about the topic of whether animal testing should be banned. Our stance is that animal testing should be banned. Let's start the debate. Hi there, how are you?
Hello, I am doing well. How about you?
Fine, let's start this debate.
Very well, let's get started. I believe that animal testing should not be banned due to its many benefits. For one, it is an invaluable tool to help ensure the safety of any new products before they are released onto the market to consumers. Additionally, animal testing can be used to develop cures and treatments for a variety of diseases and can benefit all of us by providing healthier and safer food, drugs, and other products.
I don't think so, because animal testing is not always predictive of human responses, so it can lead to faulty or dangerous product being marketed to consumers.
While it is true that animal testing can sometimes not be predictive of human responses, it must be noted that animals are still the best model for testing products due to their genetic and physiological similarities to humans. Animal testing is also heavily regulated, and any products that require approval must meet a strict set of safety standards before they can be given the green light. This ensures that the products released are safe for human use.
What are those requirements?
The requirements for animal testing vary depending on what product is being tested. In general, studies must be conducted to ensure that a product is not toxic, has no adverse effect on human health, or poses no risk of causing harm to the environment. Furthermore, animal welfare must be considered, and all studies must be conducted in accordance with strict guidelines set by the relevant regulatory body. Finally, any products approved for human use must also pass rigorous safety testing.
But what you need to know is that many animals used in testing are subjected to force feeding, deprivation, burns, and other forms of suffering that would be considered unethical if inflicted on humans.
I agree that animal testing can involve numerous ethical issues, particularly if the safety of the animals is not a prime concern. However, animal testing has contributed significantly to numerous medical breakthroughs and advancements in fields such as psychology, pharmacology, and other forms of biological research. We must also consider that on occasion animal testing may be the only method of obtaining certain information or applying certain treatments, so banning tests outright may be irresponsible. The question should be whether regulations ought to be changed to ensure that animal testing is conducted responsibly, which would allow for the continued progress of scientific research without subjecting animals to unnecessary suffering.
There are alternatives to animal testing that are faster, cheaper, and more effective, such as in vitro methods, computer simulations, and human clinical trials.
There is some truth to the fact that in vitro methods, computer simulations, and human clinical trials can be cheaper and more effective than animal testing. However, there are also many benefits to animal testing, such as providing insight into drug safety, informing policies on animal welfare, and contributing to the development of medical treatments for both animals and humans. It is important to be able to weigh the pros and cons of each situation when it comes to determining whether or not animal testing should be banned.
There have been instances where animal testing has led to harm or death for both humans and animals, such as the thalidomide tragedy in the 1950s and 60s.
Cases of harm resulting from animal testing are certainly unfortunate and should never happen. However, that does not justify the complete ban of animal testing. There are various regulations in place to make sure that animal testing is conducted in a humane, safe, and non-harmful manner. This makes it possible to conduct animal testing without truly causing any harm. It is up to the researchers involved to ensure that animals are treated with the utmost care and that their safety is a priority. Animal testing can also lead to important medical breakthroughs and cures, something that would be lost if it were banned.
Why cases of harm resulting from animal testing does not justify the complete ban of animal testing.
Animal testing can be an important and necessary tool in the development of new medical treatments and procedures that can benefit both humans and animals. It can allow us to test the safety and efficacy of new medicines and treatments without relying solely on human testing, which can prove to be more dangerous due to the potential for ethical issues, as well as potential unintended side effects. In this way, animal testing can provide valuable insights that might not be accessible through other forms of research.
Do you know that some countries have already banned animal testing, showing that it is possible to find alternatives and still produce safe products?
Yes, some countries have indeed banned animal testing and have found alternative ways to test products. However, in many cases the research needed to find alternate testing methods can take extensive amounts of time and money, and may not be a feasible solution for all situations. Additionally, some industries cannot realistically use alternatives to animal testing, such as cosmetics testing, due to the complexity and differences in the products being tested. In these cases, properly conducted animal testing can ensure the safety and effectiveness of the products being tested.
And what you should keep in mind that the use of animals in testing can lead to a lack of diversity in the types of species used, which can limit the relevance of the results.
Yes, diversity of species used in testing can be an issue. However, scientists often use animal models in which the response to particular substances can be closely predicted, so there is good scientific reason to use those particular species. Additionally, animal testing does not necessarily always lead to a lack of diversity. For example, researchers may use multiple species for testing, particularly when attempting to compare the effects between them. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use animal testing takes into consideration the potential benefits and drawbacks for each situation.
Okay, thank you for this amazing debate. In conclusion, we demonstrated the capabilities of the Soofy, which allows language learners to improve their language skills through interactive debates and conversations with an AI. With its advanced technology and customizable features, Soofy offers a unique and effective way to master a new language. We hope you enjoyed watching our demonstration and encourage you to try out the app for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on Soofy. Give Soofy a try and see how it can take your language skills to the next level.